Hey guys, and unsubscribed. You know how I know. So if you're trying to put a countersunk screw into hardboard and timber framing, through the hardboard, countersunk nicely, straight to the timber framing. Easiest way if you don't have the correct tools like the wooden countersunk bits and other ones like that, you need two drill bits normally. One a similar size to the shaft of the screw that you are putting in, so that the threads still have enough meat into the wood to bite into, and a second drill bit to match close-ish, if not slightly smaller than the head of the screw, especially into hardboard because it would just snap the head clean off. So make your pilot hole first. And then take this off forward, put it on reverse. And then nice and slowly until you hit the depth you need, and then drive it on in. Done. Easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps you out in further projects.